Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting power and connectivity right. Charge both transmitters and the receiver above 50%. Plug in a cable if you need stable power. This prevents mid-update failures. Next, open or install the DJI Mimo app and update the app so firmware files download correctly. Pair the mic to your phone via Bluetooth and keep them within 1 meter. Once paired, tap the device tile and choose Firmware Update. Progress will start, and you'll see download and prepare stages. Once download completes, you move into installation. Tap Install and watch the percentage. Do not close the app or let the phone sleep because interruptions can brick a module. Make sure Bluetooth and battery stay stable. Use a cable for the phone if needed. If you have 2 transmitters, update them one at a time, transmitter first, then receiver, because they validate firmware versions against each other. You'll see device reboot automatically. Allow several minutes for multiple reboots until the app confirms success. You're almost done. Verify the new firmware number in the app and run a quick record to confirm audio and channel pairing. If the update fails, first reboot the transmitter, receiver, and phone, then retry the update. Many issues clear with a restart. If problems persist, unpair and repair in Bluetooth and try a different USB cable or another phone. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and reattempt the firmware install. But remember to note your custom settings beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.